Want to check the time, notifications, or battery level without unlocking your Samsung Galaxy phone? The Always On Display AOD feature lets you view essential information at a glance while keeping battery usage low. In this guide, you'll learn how to enable and customize Always On Display in just a few simple steps. Start by opening the Settings app. You can do this by swiping down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel and tapping the gear icon in the upper right corner. Alternatively, you can open the Settings app directly from your app drawer or home screen. Next, scroll down and tap Lock Screen and AOD. Depending on your Samsung phone model or One UI version, this option may simply appear as Lock Screen. Inside this menu, locate and tap Always On Display. Now enable the feature by toggling the Always On Display switch to the on position. Once enabled, your phone will begin displaying essential information on the screen even when it is locked. To personalize the experience, tap Always On Display again to access its settings. Here you can choose the display mode that best fits your needs. Select Tap to show if you only want the display to appear for a few seconds after touching the screen. Choose Show Always if you prefer the information to remain visible at all times. If you'd like to save battery during certain hours, select Show as Scheduled and set your preferred start and end times. You can also choose Show for new notifications, which activates the display only when you receive new alerts. That's all there is to it. Your Samsung Galaxy phone is now set up with Always On Display, making it easier to stay updated without unlocking your device. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to explore other display customization options to make your phone even more personal and convenient.